Il-minuta tibda issa. Sam Alekksandra, artista u poeta. Sam, how would you describe your artistic side?
As vulnerable, raw, experimental.
How does vulnerability play a role in your art?
Through my vulnerability, I get to tap into people's humanity, and through that, I get to have a genuine connection with the art and thereby with myself.
What would you say to people that say they don't understand art?
So my studio is at my grandma's house, and I'm very lucky for that because I get to spend a lot of time with her, and she comes in every day and tells me like, this is great, this is bad. And sometimes she stops and she doesn't know what to tell me. She says, because I don't understand art. I tell her it's not about studying history of art or having the language of a curator or an artist. It's about really understanding yourself and your own emotions. Because art is just a reflection of yourself, The worst thing you can do is feel nothing. But you can feel anger, you can feel sadness, you can feel happiness. So I would say you do understand art. You just need to understand yourself a bit more.